Okay, recently I got the tip dispenser from a friend in Korea. So when I got it, I didn't have the box or any instruction. And when I reach home here, I don't have any instruction to load out the tip. And I failed to find any video that is related to this over the internet or on the YouTube. So I decided to make one tutorial for myself on archive and also more for my children so that next time to learn how to load out the tape in case daddy is not around. Okay, so it looked pretty intimidating at first with all the parts inside and you don't even know where to put in the tape. Okay, so I'm just going to simplify the whole thing for you, and it looked like this. And first thing, before we load in the new tape, you have to double check there's a small window at the back. Okay, and just to check there are no balance of tape which is stuck inside or stick inside. Okay, or else you just stick it out and take it out. Okay, so we close it back. Okay, for safety purposes we close it back. Okay, and it look like this. So all you need to do is just open out this part here and turn around. I have two tape is ready. Okay, and it has the sticky part should be at the bottom. It should be at the bottom so that you can stick on this gray part. Okay, here. Okay, so make sure you stick at least two of that so that the tape will be sticking on top of the gray part. Yeah, so I hope you can see because it's transparent. I like to trim it off a little bit. Yeah, just make sure that it's not messy. And that's it. Okay, so you have the tape, two row sticking onto this gray part here, and all you need to do is gently close it down and turn it around, and this is how it works. Okay, so the tape dispenser is just got to press and tape should be coming out. Okay, I have the first two tape here, as you can see. I hope you can see. Yeah, it cut out nicely like this. Yeah, it's about 1 inch in length, and each time you press down there are two tape that's ready. This is excellent for Christmas present wrapping, or I'm getting this because my children is going back to school and we have to wrap out the book. So it's a simple solution to a big problem in life, and I hope everyone will learn something new every day. Thank you.